Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Natalia here, Lovecraftforever. We have today a canvas review that I promised for you from Dreamstitch.top. So what we did with you, we did video number 1 was unboxing of the frame. Check this out if you missed the video. Nice frame to use in sofa or bed. It's a little tiny frame that really help you if you don't have lots of room space in the house for big frames. And then together I've received this beautiful cross stitch. Let me open. When I saw this design, I fell in love. I fell in love because she is so colorful. She is so pretty, and look at those colors that I actually posted her in my Facebook group. So if you have a chance to go ahead and buy it, because this is really pretty. And then, my friends, just because I have my cell phone, I saw something else. First I thought there's a For Beauty of this, but that's a little bit different one. For example, let me show you this one. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Look at this For designs. Look at the colors. That is so gorgeous. I think we can slide it in a bigger picture. We can see them a little bit. Look at this pretty. Look at this pretty. Oopsie, it's even back. Oh my god, that is so pretty. This design is by Mona Lisa, I believe. Yeah, Mona Lisa, and I think this one by Mona Lisa as well. And there is another design that I want to show you. Oh, look at this one, Mona Lisa. Triple picture as well. Those flowers. Wow. But oh my god, I love those girls. I would love to have them. But you know what? The price for the 4 panel, it's $114 Canadian. And the size 75 by 120. It's like my European town, 122 centimeters. So that's a very long panel. But it's so pretty. Oh my god, those colors are amazing. So if you did not see lately designs, brand new designs that added to the store, check it out. Under this video I also will add the link to my video unboxing and assembling of the frame. That frame was very easy to assemble. Okay, let's not lose quick. Okay, now we can talk. First thing that I see lots of needles. And I think they are all the same size. I think so. I want to believe it's probably like 20 in here. I'm not going to count, but look at this. Lots of needles in here for me to stitch. As if you like to park lots of threads with the needles, lots of people do that. So you need to have lots of needles. Thank you very much for this extra gift. And then the canvas itself, such a beautiful print in here. I did not open yet. That's for the first time I see threads together with you. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors in here. How gorgeous. Look at that. Blue and pink. Oh, look at those bright colors in here. Oh, that is, okay, let's see. I guess let's see the color. I need to stand up. I can't sit to show you all correctly. Look at this one. I might have to readjust a little bit the screen so I can see better. Okay, that is pretty. And can you imagine all of this 4 designs of the musician, Asian ladies, maybe Japanese, I don't know. Those threads, you know, the soft one. This is not Egyptian threads, and I also really like to stitch with them. They are beautiful. I like the texture of softness on this one. Oh my god, the colors is just insane. So beautiful. Thank you so much to Ryan. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous together palette like that. Wow. Okay, now we have in here, oh, look at that, there's two more needles in here. You know what, I might should put them, I don't know if that's a different needles or same needles that in pack in here. It may be the same. I should put them also in a baggie before I lose. Now I'm trying to figure out, I believe this canvas is 14 count. Let me check. Yeah, it looks, is it? Just trying to see together. Yeah, I think it's the same needles. Okay, that's lots of needles. Do we have in here on the paper? 220 width by 392 high. We have 50, is it 50 or more? Oh, more. 59 colors. Oh, that's nice. 59 colors in here. Does it says what kind of count or not? Now I want to say that lots of YouTubers show in 100% pattern. You're not supposed to do that. By the law of review, because some people copy and design after YouTubers channel, you can show a little bit pattern, but this is the one that's like a very, oh, it doesn't even have a separation. No, they do, but very tiny. It's very, very tiny. I can show you just like a little bit. Very tiny squares and barely visible separation box of 100. But this is, yeah, definitely this is 14, looks like it. Wow, canvas looks so nice. So nice. Well, in the picture, as you know, Mona Lisa pictures usually not going to be exactly as you see. Like you can see in here on her face, if I can show you a little bit close, skin portion, have the colors distributed up there. It's a lot of the same shade, whatever that will be. So if we look in the picture, it looks all pink, but obviously, you know, there is shading of the more like a blushes or whatever. So I guess I don't know if we're gonna get it exactly same face or not, but usually it's less detail could be in here. I don't know if we're gonna have like very nice of those hair pieces. Look how intricate up there. So I'm sure it's going to be much more simple, but who knows, you have to stitch to know. I just love the way it's printed. Look, and almost like, I think it's actually every color has a number printed already. You don't even have to go look into the like a booklet or palette to see which color you have to stitch. It's already everything in here. It's like when I'm stitching my the embellate, for example, and because it's so big and the page that I'm stitching right now doesn't have numbers anymore, so I have to unroll a whole canvas to look for the symbols. And I love that this is like everything. And if you don't have a good vision on one number, look on the other side, because all this, for example, blue spots you see have the same number, so you obviously will see which number that is. It's just like crispiness of the print is there. I love the color numbers in here. 59, let's say 60, right? 59 colors, that is good. Very beautiful panel. Well, we have all those pretty colors of purple. To me, when I saw these colors, that's it, my heart sunk. It's so pretty. And like, you know, I wish just I can start right now to stitch on it, but I don't even have a time yet to stitch a little bit more on my lady with the butterfly, blue butterfly girl. I think that's the name of the canvas. but definitely I will keep in my wish list those 4 ladies musicians, because that canvas is so beautiful. The other one in 11 count, I believe, so would be comfortable to stitch for many of you who don't like small count, which is 14 count. It's not bad to see, especially when you have a print so good like this. Wonderful, wonderful. I have a good chunk of fabric in here to put on a frame to start, and the stroll frame will catch. It's enough fabric, and if the frame bigger in here, this can hang just, you know, stroll in here and in here, like I do my beaded project, and that's it. That is beautiful. Pure white canvas, already stitched all the way around, and I think this is one of those designs that have Mona Lisa. Oh, hold on, we have in here some, and under the picture, centimeters. So in a mix of, it says 75 by 123 centimeters, 50 by 80. But which one is which? Oh, hold on. I have this very old, my kid's ruler in here, handy close to me. So let's measure. Should I measure like the whole canvas? Because that's, I think that's the size, and usually. So in here I have 30, 49, supposed to be 50 because some canvas cut a little bit not straight. So let's say 50. So if it's 50, it's going to be 50 by 80, I think. Let's see. Okay, so 30, 60, 70, and 81 and a half, like, yeah. So see, it's not exactly, but I mean up there a little bit more than centimeters longer, more fabric. Oh, I think more fabric because of this one. That would take a centimeters, the edge. They usually not supposed to count. But what do you think? What do you think? I love it. I love it because the colors is amazing. So I put link under my video, not affiliate links. This is for you to shop your heart away, have fun and stitch. And we are almost out. Well, I'm not sure when this video will be posted, probably already on the end of July, last day, or maybe already in August. I'm not sure, but right now to me it's Wednesday as I record, no, Tuesday as I record this video. So, or Wednesday, not Tuesday. I lost my days, my friends. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it because she's absolutely stunning. Gorgeous canvas. Go and put one in your shopping cart, and on the way you check it out, use discount code and save some money. 5% you will save money with my discount code. Everything going to be under my video so you don't misspell. And happy shopping! I will see you next time.